Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX way up in here, and we got a train close to like 12:27. We have two signals that we got two signals that are both green, left and right, so we could have a race coming, maybe between my friend and a freight train 2. This is probably one of them. And then he just met Amtrak. Lakeshore was 48, was 109 down there not too long ago. This looks to be my friend, it seems like, because it looks like 63 was my friend at the helm. So it could be him. Because it looks like we got a heritage was him too. Yup, it is him. Was one of our favorite heritage units. There he goes. 108 was my friend at the helm in control.